In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your work in Elementor. Whether you're new to Elementor or just looking to brush up on the essentials, understanding how to save your work effectively is crucial for managing your web projects. Let's dive right in. Firstly, let's talk about the Publish or Update button located at the top right corner of your Elementor editor interface. This button is your go-to for saving changes directly to your live site. If your page is already published, you'll see the Update button. Clicking this instantly applies and saves all the changes you've made to your page, bringing them live on your site. This feature is fantastic for those quick updates where you want to see your changes reflected in real time without much fuss. However, there are moments when you might not be ready to make changes live, and for those situations, Elementor offers more personalized saving options. To explore these, simply click on the small arrow next to the Publish or Update button. This unveils a drop-down menu with a couple of valuable options: Save Draft and Save as Template. Choosing Save Draft allows you to save all of your current progress privately. This is a great option if you're experimenting with new ideas or designs that you aren't quite ready to show off yet. By saving as a draft, you ensure that none of your changes affect the published version of your page, giving you the freedom to work without worry. When you're ready to make those changes live, you can easily return to the page, make any additional modifications needed, and then hit the Update button with confidence. Now let's explore the Save as Template option. This feature is particularly handy when you've crafted a section or an entire page layout that you absolutely love and want to use again. By saving your work as a template, you add that design to your Elementor template library, making it accessible anytime you're building a new page. This can be a true time saver, sparing you from having to recreate complex layouts from scratch and ensuring consistency across different pages on your site. To utilize your saved templates, you simply access them from the template library within Elementor, and it's just a few easy clicks to insert them wherever needed. This feature sets you up for efficiency, helping you streamline your design process significantly. So, there you have it. A straightforward guide to saving your work in Elementor, ensuring your hard work is preserved exactly how and when you want it. By mastering these saving techniques, you have full control over the publishing process, allowing you to refine your work to perfection before it ever sees the light of day.